China says Philippines plan to deploy mine-range missile would be extremely irresponsible. So, military placed acquire mileage system to defend the country's territory. So, ito galit ang China dahil gusto ni Bongbong na bumili na nitong Typhoon missile system. Ito ang pang-defense sa Pilipinas. Baka yan na siguro ang budget ng 2025. Ibibili niyan. Ano ba yan? Imagine magliliparan ito mga missile ito at mag-reply naman ang mga China. Oh my goodness, ano na mangyari sa Pilipinas kung ganun na ang mangyari? Magsabugan ng mga missile. Ayan, nag-agawan sa territoryong ito. Well man, both side is wala talaga tayo. Wala tayong magawa kasi ang liit natin na country. So kung kanya-kanya yang magpadala ng mga missile, sana naman sa Visayas, hanggang sa Luzon lang ang lugar ni Marcos. Ang problema ni Marcos is lilipad siya, lalabas siya pag meron ng gira. Ito ang sabi ng China.
We once again advise the Philippine side that the only correct choice for safeguarding its security is to adhere to strategic autonomy, good neighborliness, and peaceful development. We are telling the Philippine side that China will never stand by and watch its own security interests being jeopardized or threatened, and that if the Philippine side is bent on having its own way, it will surely lift a rock and smash its own foot.
Ayan, tingnan nyo, missile na yan. Pagpupunta yan sa atin at saka sa China, ang liit-liit natin. Ayan ang gustong bilhin ni BBM, Typhoon missile system. Yan, Philippines says it will acquire US Typhoon missile systems, sparking warnings from China. Oh my goodness. Ito na ba ang hudyat ng 2025? Oh my goodness. Hintay na lang tayo.
The Typhoon system would only be used for a routine exercise, promising to withdraw it upon the completion of the exercise in September this year. But then it changed its statement to say that it hoped to deploy the Typhoon system permanently, and it was even prepared to purchase the system. This is a typical case of breaking one's promise and reneging on it. At present, who are the ones who keep provoking the South China Sea? And who are the ones who are cooperating with the extraterritorial forces in showing off their force? And who is violating the law under the banner of international law? The countries of the region can see this clearly.
Ito naman ang sinabi ni BBM, Typhoon missile system deployment for exercise legal day in chief. Ito naman ang message ni Gibo, National Defense in the Philippines sa Beijing. If the Chinese Communist Party is truly intent on reducing tensions and stability in the region, they should cease their saber-rattling, stop their provocative actions, halt their interference in other countries' internal affairs, withdraw their illegal presence from the Philippines EEZ, exclusive economic zone, and adhere to international law. Ano naman masabi natin nito? Provocation, both side ang mga sinasabi. Ang lakas-lakas naman sabihin ni Gibo, ang lit-lit naman natin. Baka sila, they are proud that the Americans is there to help in the Philippines. Kawawa naman tayo pag mangyari ito. Gusto talaga nila ng gira. Ay, iwan ko na ba ano mangyari in the coming few years or this coming year. Let's ask for na lang for peace.